Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to Maitri's kitchen. So today we are going to do a farm beans gravy. In regional language, farm bean is called as Mochai. We have two varieties. One is dry Mochai and one is the actual instant Mochai. Today we are going to do with fresh farm beans, not the dry one. The main ingredients to do this gravy is I have taken 250 grams of farm beans followed with tamarind extract, chopped tomatoes, chopped onions, little coriander leaves, chopped garlic or the sliced garlic, followed with green chili and our mustard seeds, urud dal, anise, fenugreek seeds and our peppercorns, so and our jeera. So these are the main ingredients that is going to be used to do this gravy, followed with coconut paste. So let us get into our recipe and see a step-by-step process on how to do this farm beans gravy, which goes fantastic with white rice and also tiffin items. First step is I have taken a wider pan. The gas is in sim. I'm just going to do it with gingerly oil. Gingerly oil tastes well than the refined oil. So I'm just taken 3 tablespoons of gingerly oil. So let it get slightly heated up. As it is getting heated up, I'm going to add a tablespoon of mustard seeds, followed with little urud dal, anise, it's already 1 tablespoon, it's already measured and kept, along with jeera and peppercorns, it's again 1 tablespoon. Fenugreek seeds, very little to be added. It is one of the main ingredients for this gravy, but still ensure it's very little added, not much. A pinch of asafoetida. Yes. So let us fry everything well. All the items are getting tossed. At this stage, I'm going to add 3 to 4 garlic cloves, followed with 1 green chili. We are going to add chili powder as well, so green chili is just 1, followed with our 2 chopped onions. So fry it nicely. You can find the onion is nicely getting tossed. At this stage, I'm going to add our tossed tomatoes, 2 numbers, and I've added half a tomato along with coconut. That is optional, or you can just add all the tomatoes chopped once. I just added chopped 1 into it and 1 more into the coconut paste. We are going to add one by one all the masala. So starting with little turmeric powder, followed with chili powder. We have already added green chili, so be cautious. Add it as per the spice level you wanted. I have added 2 tablespoons. Followed with a pinch of garam masala. It is completely optional. If you want, you can add it. Followed with the required amount of coriander powder. If you are adding 1 tablespoon of chili powder, you can add 1.5 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of coriander powder. And the required amount of salt. I have already added salt for quickly cooking the onion. So now everything is added. Now we are going to add into it our extract of tamarind. Tamarind pulp is going to get added into it, the tamarind water. So I have just added 1 glass of tamarind juice into it. So let it get boiled nicely so that the farm beans gets cooked parallelly. So let us wait for 5 minutes. Let us get boiled by closing the lid and let us see what is next. So friends, our farm beans is getting cooked for almost 5 minutes now. Yes, you can see the oil is nicely come out. At this stage, I am going to add our coconut paste. Coconut with half tomato, which is added into it. So mix this coconut paste into it. You can add the full tomatoes as also instead of chopping and putting. It's our choice. I have added half chopped and half pasted. It's completely our choice. So add the required amount of water. I'm just going to add half a glass of water and check for all the masalas if it's all are fine, salt, everything, and close the lid and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes since we have added coconut, so not to boil it for much time. So once it is ready, it can be served hot. The farm beans is actually cooked well. So let us close the lid and cook for just 4 to 5 minutes. So friends, let us see our farm beans gravy. Yes, it's come out very nicely. And the farm bean is also nicely cooked. You can find the oil is separated. Yes, it's nicely cooked. So it is ready to be displayed. So friends, here goes our tasty farm beans gravy, which goes very superb with white rice followed with dosa and chapati. So please do try this recipe. Watch my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel. We'll come up with another yummy recipe shortly. Happy cooking, stay safe, bye bye.